California isn't just about its famous big cities like Los Angeles and San Francisco. Beyond the bustling urban centers, the state is home to countless small, secluded towns that offer breathtaking natural landscapes, rich history, and a slower, more peaceful way of life. From towns that exude a charming European atmosphere to hidden gems tucked away in the mountains, these lesser-known destinations provide some of the best escapes for those seeking a more relaxed and authentic California experience. Located in Orange County, about 95 kilometers south of Los Angeles, San Juan Capistrano is a serene town with a population of 35,000. Despite its quiet vibe, it offers easy access to major cities while maintaining its unique charm. The town's centerpiece is Mission San Juan Capistrano, a historic Catholic mission founded in 1776. This beautifully preserved site showcases California's rich history and hosts popular events like the Swallows Day Parade, an annual celebration marking the return of swallows each spring, a tradition beloved by locals and visitors alike. Nature lovers will enjoy exploring the scenic trails at Ronald W. Casper's Wilderness Park, where you can immerse yourself in the beauty of California's wilderness. Just a quick 10-minute drive leads to Dana Point, a quaint harbor known for its spectacular ocean views, whale-watching tours, and relaxing beach activities. San Juan Capistrano perfectly blends history, nature, and coastal charm, offering a peaceful escape with a touch of adventure. Perched along the stunning coastline of Orange County, Laguna Beach is an exclusive seaside town located about 80 kilometers south of Los Angeles and 115 kilometers north of San Diego, with a population of around 23,000. This small yet vibrant community is known for its breathtaking landscapes, thriving art scene, and luxurious coastal lifestyle. Laguna Beach has long been a hub for artists and creatives, hosting renowned annual festivals such as the Pageant of the Masters and the Sawdust Art Festival, which draw thousands of visitors each year. The town also boasts excellent educational institutions, including Laguna Beach High School, recognized as one of the top schools in Orange County. For healthcare, residents have access to Mission Hospital, Laguna Beach, which provides high-quality medical services. However, living in this picturesque paradise comes at a cost. With an average home price of $2.8 million, Laguna Beach ranks among the most expensive real estate markets in California. The cost of living is also high, from daily essentials to transportation and utilities, making it a destination for those who seek both beauty and exclusivity. Located in Santa Barbara County, about 200 kilometers northwest of Los Angeles, Solvang is a charming small town of 6,000 residents, known for its strong Danish heritage and unique European ambiance. Nicknamed Little Denmark, Solvang is famous for its storybook architecture, traditional windmills, and authentic bakeries, along with Scandinavian museums that preserve its rich cultural roots. This distinct charm makes it one of California's most picturesque and unusual destinations. While more affordable than nearby Santa Barbara, Solvang's real estate market is pricey, with average home prices around $1.1 million. The cost of living remains high due to tourism and local businesses. Visitors can explore Santa Ynez Valley's wineries, take in the natural beauty of Nojoki Falls Park, or enjoy horseback riding at Alisal Guest Ranch. Whether for a weekend getaway or a cultural escape, Solvang offers a truly unique experience. Tucked away in Monterey County, just 190 kilometers south of San Francisco and a short 10-kilometer drive from Monterey, Carmel is one of California's most exclusive and picturesque coastal towns. With a population of only 3,200, it offers a peaceful, secluded retreat unlike any other. Carmel is home to top-tier schools under the Carmel Unified School District, including Carmel High School, consistently ranked among the best in the state. For healthcare, residents have access to Community Hospital of the Monterey Peninsula, just a 15-minute drive from town. However, this breathtaking paradise comes with a high price tag. The average home price in Carmel reaches $3 million, significantly higher than most coastal areas in California. Everyday expenses, from food to transportation and utilities, are also well above the state average. Despite the cost, Carmel remains a dream destination for nature lovers and artists alike. With stunning beaches, dramatic ocean views, and a serene, upscale atmosphere, it continues to captivate those seeking beauty, tranquility, and exclusivity. Nestled in Napa County, about 105 kilometers north of San Francisco and just 30 kilometers from downtown Napa, St. Helena is a charming town of 6,000 residents, often called the heart of Napa Valley. Its central location places it among some of the finest wineries in the world, making it a dream destination for wine enthusiasts. The town offers a strong education system through the St. Helena Unified School District, with St. Helena High School recognized for its excellent academic and athletic programs. Real estate in St. Helena is among the most expensive in California. The average home price sits around $2.5 million, while luxury estates with private vineyards can exceed $10 million. Despite the high cost of living, the town's appeal is undeniable, with renowned wineries like Beringer Vineyards and Castello di Amorosa, as well as Michelin-starred restaurants offering world-class dining experiences. However, living in this picturesque valley comes with challenges. Surrounded by rolling hills and farmland, wildfire risk is a concern, especially during the dry summer and early fall months. Yet, for those who appreciate fine wine, gourmet cuisine, and breathtaking landscapes, St. Helena remains an unmatched retreat. Perched along California's rugged northern coast, Mendocino is a remote yet breathtaking town in Mendocino County, located 250 kilometers north of San Francisco and just 16 kilometers from Fort Bragg. With a population of only 900 residents, it stands as one of the most secluded and picturesque destinations along the Pacific. Despite its small size, Mendocino hosts vibrant cultural events each year, including the Mendocino Film Festival, which showcases independent films from around the world, and the Mendocino Music Festival, where classical, jazz, and folk performances take place against a stunning coastal backdrop. Though more affordable than exclusive coastal towns like Carmel or Laguna Beach, Mendocino's real estate market remains expensive due to its prime location and appeal as a sought-after getaway. Home prices typically range between $900,000 and $1.5 million, depending on size and proximity to the coast. For nature lovers and photographers, Mendocino is a dream come true. With dramatic ocean cliffs, lush redwood forests, and stunning coastal views, it offers endless outdoor adventures. Popular spots like Mendocino Headlands State Park and Big River Beach make it a haven for those seeking beauty, solitude, and inspiration. Nestled in the Sierra Nevada foothills, Nevada City is a historic gem in Nevada County, located 100 kilometers northeast of Sacramento and 145 kilometers from Lake Tahoe. With a population of around 3,100, this former Gold Rush-era mining town has preserved its Old West charm, making it one of California's best-kept historic destinations. The town's well-preserved 19th century buildings, from classic saloons to Victorian-era homes, transport visitors back in time. Once a thriving mining hub, Nevada City now attracts those looking for a quieter, nature-filled lifestyle. While still more affordable than California's coastal cities, home prices have risen due to increased demand, ranging from $600,000 to $900,000. Nevada City is a haven for history lovers and outdoor adventurers. Strolling through historic downtown Nevada City, you'll find unique shops, cafes, and art galleries, while Empire Mine State Historic Park offers a glimpse into California's gold mining past. However, life here comes with challenges. Public transportation is limited, making travel to larger cities difficult, and winters can be harsh, with cold temperatures and snowfall. Still, for those seeking history, scenic beauty, and small-town charm, Nevada City is a true hidden treasure. Located in Humboldt County, about 435 kilometers north of San Francisco, Ferndale is a small town of 1,300 residents known for its beautifully preserved Victorian architecture. Often called Victorian Village, the town offers a nostalgic charm with its elegant 19th century buildings, antique shops, art galleries, and quaint cafes lining the historic Main Street. Unlike many other small towns in California, Ferndale has maintained its historic character while fostering a close-knit community. Though real estate prices have increased, homes here are still more affordable compared to California's coastal cities. Beyond its architectural beauty, Ferndale is surrounded by breathtaking landscapes, including the redwood forest and pristine coastal beaches, making it an ideal spot for hiking, nature walks, and relaxation. For those seeking a peaceful, small-town lifestyle with stunning scenery and rich history, Ferndale remains a hidden gem in Northern California. Far from the hustle and bustle of big cities, California's secluded small towns offer a unique charm of their own. From breathtaking natural landscapes to rich cultural heritage, these hidden gems provide a sense of tranquility and character that's hard to find elsewhere. Whether you're looking for a peaceful getaway or considering a quieter place to call home, these towns deliver a rare blend of history, nature, and community spirit, proving that sometimes the best experiences are found off the beaten path.